Hi, John here. In this video I would like to talk about how to push your supplier to fulfill for you from countries where you sell, like Australia, Canada, USA, UK, New Zealand, Ireland. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and if you have some idea about future video, I'm always looking for some ideas because I'm recording videos every day, then definitely comment below. Current situation basically kind of like pushes you, to evolve. Well, I think since this kind of like a worldwide problem, that current dropshipping model where you ship everything from China is not working anymore because it takes like so long, like it's at least like 3 weeks now, to like a month and more. And well, it was not like that, like half year ago. So you need to like evolve as well, and that's why it's like very important to push your supplier that you are using to stock everything in country where you sell, so like in USA, because that's like only way how you can protect yourself, and protect your business to keep everything stable, because once you are using the China option and you have like that super long delivery, that customer feedback score, that Facebook customer feedback score will like eat you alive, and well, that's where will all those problems start, because if you will lose your page, your ad account and whatever, then your chargeback will start eating you, so you will start losing like everything. Stripe will take your money, like everybody will take your money, you will like not have on refunds and whatever, and you need to really like do this move if you want to survive and if you want to scale. With the China shipping, you will just not survive, okay? It's like gone, okay? Like everybody is like saying online that dropshipping is dead. Well, dropshipping is not dead, but dropshipping evolved, and now dropshipping means that you need to dropship from country where you sell, okay? Because Chinese like dropshipping is dead, now you need to like move there, okay? Or this will not work for you. Like that business model will not work for you, and you'll be just like one of those that will say like, oh, I just tried it, lost like money, and well, it didn't work, okay? So you will make it work, but you need to make it work in countries where you sell. Let me just give you some example, okay? We will be talking about prices from like last year because that was still fine. There was like no crisis and whatever. So, okay, so let's say I had the product and it was last year in e-packet like $5, okay? And if I wanted to start like fulfilling from USA and ship that stock to USA through that sea, through ship, then basically from that from those $5, that price like increased to like $6, okay? So basically then my fulfillment price for each order, for each unit, was like $6 instead of 5 from China with e-packet, okay? And it was ordered from USA. So basically increase from China to USA, where I basically went from like 12 days of delivery to like 2 days of delivery, to customer from the warehouse, basically just increased by like $1, okay? And when I decided to go with cargo planes, then basically the price increased like from 5 to like let's say like 7. That was like good because then when I needed to ship something fast in like bigger volumes, I could get stock from China to warehouse in USA in like in like 7 to like 10 days, from with also like production of that product. So, and I'm still running with same prices, so my prices didn't change at all, with this crisis. It's because I made that supplier basically to start shipping those bigger volumes, okay? Because I can like build a trust with them. So you need to do the same thing. You need to like stop like using the China channel at all and go like all in with those US ones, okay? You need to like find supplier, or even you can even find supplier who already have that product in the US warehouse, and then try to negotiate price with them, okay? You don't need to always like have like some one supplier that you already like fulfill like hundred thousands of orders, okay? You can just like find somebody on AliExpress who already have warehouse in USA or use warehouse in USA and have that product there, okay? So you can start making some orders with them, and if you see that they are like not lying, they already have that stock in USA, then you will tell him like, okay, I want to sell like 200 like orders per day or something, and you need to stock it in like bigger volume, and I want like this price, okay? So you will be able to push them down with that bigger volume, okay? So but you can find that supplier by testing those different people with like the US warehouse option. These Chinese like sellers, they have also like multiple options on how to store that stock in USA, okay? For example, even Alibaba, they are like opening constantly like fulfillment centers for Alibaba sellers, you know, basically it's also like AliExpress. So these people, they don't even need to like look for like some specific like those fulfillment centers, because they can just do a deal with Alibaba, okay? Like for example, my supplier, he's always getting invited to Alibaba like conferences, you know, where they are trying to like push them to stock everything in their warehouses around the world, you know, in USA. So even Alibaba is trying to get out of the China shipping and start stocking everything for their sellers in those countries where they fulfill. So you can see that whole trend, you know, it's like in dropshipping is like moving to like start dropshipping in countries where you sell, okay? So there are even Chinese people are trying to like move from that fulfillment from China to fulfillment from those countries. They also have like tons of contacts in different fulfillment centers, okay? So for them, like if they have like some kind of like trust with you, they will ship like a couple thousand orders like without any problem, okay? And they can ship it through that sea that's like super cheap, or just that cargo plane, and it's like fast, okay? More expensive but fast. These suppliers are like mostly scared about like that they will just like produce a lot of stock or just buy some stock, send it to that warehouse, and then you will just like tell them like, I'm like sorry, I can't sell it, like bye, okay? It's just like all like based on the trust, you know? So if they are like seeing that you are consistent, if you are always like able to sell everything what you order from them, then these suppliers, like all of them will be fine, and they can like do the jump, you know, and like send it there, okay? And if even after like some history of sales, they still don't want to send that stock, you know, to that country, then you need to go and find some different people, because there are like tons of guys, you know, who will like do this for you and stock everything in those warehouses, because even they understand that if they want to get like stable clients, you know, they need to offer that option to send it from those countries where these people sell, okay? Even they know how everything isn't stable. They know everything about dropshipping, okay? They understand that model. They know like that the biggest problem is like that advertising platform, chargebacks. They know about everything, okay? So they understand that they need to send it there, okay? So you just need to like push everybody, or try to like push couple people, like test couple of different sellers, and if they are really like fulfilling from USA, which we will see from like your tracking numbers, then just like try to give them like some bigger order for like a bigger amount of like those units, you know, for our products, and just like use them. So thank you for watching my video, and if you are still not subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell button. If you are running in some like Facebook circle of hell, you got flagged, you know, you need to complete your starter promotion, then download my free ebook, you know, it's Ultimate Facebook Advanced Survival Guide, you know, I've wrote it so you can get out of the Facebook circle of hell and keeps like selling your services or like your products. And well, if you have some more advanced questions and you need like something answered about e-commerce, you know, or like Facebook advertising, or even these, you know, like suppliers, then definitely join Adferation. It's my free Facebook mastermind group, and people there will help you out, you know. So definitely join that, and I will see you in next video. So bye.